I'll do. Right. Been for some copper pipe, etc, etc. Yeah, yesterday I started cutting the work surface. When I've offered it in, it's too wide, which is a good thing in a sense, isn't it? Right. Also, I was set up the router. Have you seen that? I'm hoping to be able to get some thin backsplash anyway, you know what I mean? But I've got that much overhang at front. It might be okay to come back. Right. On this side here, I'm a tad too long. I don't know if anybody ever used one of these before. It's got a little wheel on. Right, so what I've done, attached a piece of batten underneath. From the width from the edge is the bit that I want to get rid of. And what happens is that wheel will run along this, so you'll have a bang on. You know what I mean? So I'm doing that. I'm thinking, like I say, of going right down here, all the way down. I'll lose about what, 5 mil, but I'll get rid of that. See what it is, you see, I think the actual back of the kitchen is bored a bit anyway, so no matter what I do, I'm not going to get it up flush. Oh, in fact, it's not too bad now I've come in today. I'm looking at this gap at back, you see. In fact, that is wider in it than that, so there is some discrepancy somewhere. Oh, my new vents come yesterday. Newness. Fridge vents. Cheap and all. I forgot what they were now. 15 quid I think for 2. Delivered on time. All I need now is some new mesh. I bought some mesh, but I can't get it off. I thought for the sake of a fiver. Right, so I'm going to crack on with this. I'm not going to use the phone, I'm going to put it well away because it gives off that much dust, it's unbelievable. Also, because I'm cutting it away, I'll get rid of them, won't I? Man, you, there's a piece there. I think I'll cut this side. No, it's be outdoor anyway, innit? Right. Right, there. It's on, it's in. As I said, look, there's a bow. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't think you can you? There, look, can you see it? And it's up against, done a bit of damage. But I've got some repair stuff, which will go right down this corner. It's that same stuff that I use there, look. Anyway, back on with this. So it's case now of taking it out again. Oh, the gap there and all. And you know, when I was cutting it, I thought I'll just go and remeasure, and I didn't. So the motto of this story is remeasure, 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 remeasure. But looks alright, doesn't it? Yeah. So it's coming on. Oh, I'm happy with that. Right, what I might do is, because I've got a big piece there, is nick to my local builders and ask them if they'll rip it right down there, and then also turn it on its side and rip it in half. And I'll have a splashback, won't I? Mind you, having said that though, my cassette for these blinds is going to go there. Oh dear. And there's some stuff you can get, like a trim, that goes along there, with an adhesive backing. There isn't there. I shall knit to B&Q over the weekend, see if I can find out. Yeah, it's like a corner trim in it, and it goes down. But it's whether they got any in this. Even if I get black, it don't matter, does it? Right, so, yeah. Cool. Cool, man. Right, what we're going to do then? I forgot what I said. Oh yeah, I'm going to cut out for this. Oh God, I'm looking forward to this. Right, Russell sent me a template for the hob. That's the hob. Hey, look at this. The connector is at the front. Never done that on anything. Always normally at the back, you know what I mean? Anyway, right. So, I've done my own version. Sorry, Russell. I know you sent it, but... Anyway, yeah, I think you know what I mean. Right, so, before I cut this, I am going to sort out the sockets. There's going to be a twin socket there, obviously the other way around. I'm going to put them quite high up. And its side there's going to be a fuse. This is going to feed the fridge. So yeah, it's just somewhere to put my elbows and that and bits like that. Now I won't be able to do that otherwise, would I? So right, I shall have a brew, which is there. Sit on my bench. Someone's making me a cheese butt. No scones. Gutted. Right, see you in a bit. Well, I didn't, a couple of hours later, I didn't cut that out. I'm going to do it tomorrow. I was thinking tomorrow was Saturday and Dave are coming. Also, I've bought, from Screwfix, I put it up forums today, that. 17 quid for 10 metres, which is cheap, cheaper than eBay. Anyway, I think I've already said this, haven't I? Oh God, I'm losing marbles. Yeah, about that, so I won't need it. I won't need that part. Right, so that's something else to go back. Right, yeah, I fit those. This is for the fridge. And a fuse. What else have I done? Oh, I've started here. I'm really mad at myself at this because when I took the fire out, the idea was just to, well, not cut it out. And when I were doing the, you know, the templates and everything, using it as a template and cutting, ended up cutting it out. So, yeah, needless to say, I was really pissed off with that. But I've started boxing it in. What I'm going to do, these, they just slide out. They just slide out, and then because there's all wires at the back, etc. It's just so that I can gain access. What I'm going to do is put two down there, you know, two battens, two at this side about there, and then these will push back, and there'll be a board across there, as far back as I can get it. I've measured from here to there. The diesel litres are, I've lost my tape measure, bloody ollie. What's there? The diesel litres are 40 centimetres, and I'm going to have, I'd say, approximately 47, 48, maybe more actually. It's going to be 50. It's going to be 50 in it. So I'll get my diesel litre in there. Now, I was going to ask on the forums tonight, what sort of room do you need? Do you need air coming in? Well, I've got an air vent there. I could do that. So, yeah, what type of confined space is okay for them? If it is, then I'll be chuffed because I'll end up with more storage there, rather than having my diesel litre over there. And I can have me vent popping out there, the heat. Ideally I'd like to have had it going directly into the living area, but I think it'd be alright. In fact, there's things on it, in the like fins, and you can point it whatever direction. but it wants to keep me tooties warm while I have my breakfast. The cushion front, he hasn't even started them yet. I'm supposed to be at Whittingham next week. I've asked him if he's going to be this week. He said early next week he's going to start them. Now whether he does or not, I don't know. So it could be a no-go Whittingham, no matter what I do. Right people, I am going to, I'll upload this because I'm really happy with that worktop. Oh, can we see my cooker? I shall show you my cooker. Oops, it is. Update. Oh, kidding you, bloody sod. Fuck it. Oh, I've put glue on it. I've put, yeah, what have I put? I put some dew on it, so you can't see it anyway, so you'll have to wait. Yeah, obviously that's going there. Right, see you later people.